Chapter 1, Section 9, Part 2, Quadratic Graph Systems of Inequalities, Quadratic Inequalities. Inequality number 1 is y is greater than x squared plus 6x plus 1. This is already graphed. We went over this in the first part and graphed it. The second inequality is y is less than or equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 3. We already know the vertex from what we learned in Chapter 1, Section 1. We ignored this sign, put y is equal to, then found the x value, plugged that in, found the y value of the vertex, and then plugged in x values to get other points. The other points are 0, negative 3, and negative 2, 3. Unlike this inequality, this one opens downward, and also it says y is less than or equal to, meaning that the points include, or the solutions include, the points that make the parabola. So that means we'll be graphing this with solid dots, filled in dots, and also a solid line. So I'm going to plot these points. Vertex is negative 1, negative 2. Zero, negative 3, and negative 2, 3. So we have the filled in dots, and now I'm going to connect them, make a parabola. And now, because it says y is less than, that means that this area should be shaded in, and see how that includes this tiny part of the parabola right here that doesn't really show itself. This area right here. So that part is included. Since these overlap, we shade this in. And the points in here, the values in this area are the solutions. You do not need to put horizontal lines or vertical lines. I just did that to give a visual of what overlaps.